it's supposed to feel.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can probably tell from that intro, the title of the video, and the car sitting right behind me, I have gotten back into BMW and it is about time. So I wasn't even really planning to get a new car, but my wife needed a new car, or we kind of wanted to get a new one anyway. My Explorer didn't have air conditioning anymore. I mean, it did, but it really didn't work that well. So we sold the Explorer and bought my wife a minivan, and I was driving her Cadillac, and then it just had a whole bunch of issues, and I decided it's a good opportunity to get back into BMW, especially with how the economy is going and used car prices and all of that stuff. So I just thought, you know, it might not be as good a time as now. It just seems like everything is getting worse, and I know we're not supposed to say the R word, so I'm not going to say that. We're not in one of those. Anyway, so I thought it would be a great time. I got this, this is a 2016 328i, so it is LCI, and it does have the updated timing chain guide. And so you might be thinking to yourself, Will, why didn't you get a 335? You already done the N54 thing. Why not get the N55? You know how powerful those BMW 6s can be. And to that I just say, you know, this car really isn't that slow in like daily driving and stuff. I mean, yeah, it's only 240 horsepower, 250 something torque, but it's a whole lot faster in daily driving than my old 328 was, the N52 was. This is N20. It's, you know, it's just a less things to break, more space in the engine bay, better fuel economy. I mean, you've seen the price of gas now, it's crazy. So, you know, just a lot of things like that to try to, you know, I think this car is actually going to save me money over the Ford. I mean, I was spending like $100 to fill up my gas tank, almost, not quite, pretty close to it. So what am I doing with this car? I mean, it's obviously not going to be a race car. It's never going to be as fast as that M54 was, but I do have some plans. The first plans, though, that truck go by. So the first plans are to make it look right, you know, get this thing right. So I want to get my windows tinted. Really, that's about it for the outside. At some point, I'd like to get some wheels, but it's not really in the budget right now. Got some stuff to make I got some black kidney grills coming. They're supposed to come today. And the one thing I got to do to every BMW I get in is code that thing. You know, add the digital speedometer, the easy access seat, you know, all that stuff with Bimmercode, you know, the stuff that we used to do through Carly once. But I got all the stuff coming for that today. So let's go back home and I'll get back to you once the mail comes and we can start doing some coding. So I just realized that I don't have the thing to mount my phone on the tripod. So I'm just going to drive around this parking lot here while I kind of talk. So you can see there the digital speedometer, and I'm just going to overlay some videos of me actually doing the coding and you know, and just the features of what they do and what it looks like and everything. You know, there's a million videos out there of how to code these cars, and I have 2 videos on how to do it on the E90s with Carly, and so it's basically the exact same as that. So you don't need any real special tutorial to do the easy coding. You just find the options you want, you choose them, and you go. And we've got some pretty cool features on here. Like I said, the digital speedometer, the Rolls-Royce chime. Okay, so we have the seat in the far back position. This is how the easy seat access works. So the car is, I'm gonna trick the car into thinking I'm getting in, right? So now the car thinks that I'm in. Oh, hold on, I have to put the key in. So I'm gonna trick the car into thinking I'm getting in. Keys in the seat, so it should think that I'm in there. So let's use that wire as a point of reference there, and see, it's pulling itself forward now. It thinks that I'm in it. Now let's turn the car off. Open the door, and there it goes again on its way back. The windows rolling down from the key fob was already there, but I switched it to roll them up and to fold and unfold the mirrors from the key fob, which I think is just one of the best things that you can put on these cars. Anyway, I just think that coding these cars, you know, to unlock their fullest potential is just one of the best things that you can do. I highly recommend it to every BMW owner. So yeah, check out your car, see what you can do, and unlock some cool features. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.